When our team first begins to create new products, what we're trying to do is put ourselves in the mindset of our consumers. And that's why we're pretty excited to introduce Somat Smart. It's an intelligent, connected, all-in-one automatic dosing device for dishwashers.
So the Somat Smart, it senses your machine and it dispenses the exactly right amount of detergent. The end result is cleaning dishes and a simplified user experience.
Dishwashing detergents today take a one-size-fits-all approach. And that's why also sometimes we're a bit frustrated that some stains or food residues come in.
With more than 25 patent applications, the Somat Smart automatically senses your wash cycles by tracking temperature and vibration in your dishwasher, and then dispenses the ideal mixture of 3 different ingredients at exactly the right times in the cycle, ingredients for cleaning, shining and dry.
We have designed Somat Smart to improve your dishwashing experience right out of the box. But you can improve performance even more by using the more than 50 modes that we have created into the app.
And if you run out of detergent or out of the refill, the device will notice, and if you have turned on the auto reordering, it will automatically send you a new refill, so you never ever have to hunt for a new refill again.
We designed Somat Smart to be compact so that when you buy it online, you have much less volume of packaging and much less packaging waste than with any normal detergent. But above all, we're excited by the great cleaning results and the peace of mind that Somat Smart is going to bring you. We can't wait to have you be a part of this project. We want to hear your feedback so that we can get ready for a wider release.
Hey guys, I'm Carlo, one of the Rolling Square founders. Months ago, we set out to disrupt the wireless earbuds market, developing the most complete product at the most affordable price. Meet iPhone by Rolling Square.
We know you love them as much as we do. Back us today on Indiegogo and get your iPhone for just $39.
Imagine a pocket-sized drone that captures stunning aerial videos. A flying HD camera without the challenge of piloting a drone.
Hi, I'm Vernon, and we're the team that makes Microdrone.
In 2015, we had an idea for a palm-sized drone, the first of its kind.
With your support, we smashed all our funding goals, which helped get Microdrone off to a flying start.
Microdrone
3.0.
We created tooling, worked with factories, started production, and shipped 32,000 drones all over the world. We can't thank you enough for your support. We collected lots of useful feedback. Now we are ready to introduce the next generation drone. This is Microdrone 4.0.
Our mission is to make the world's coolest, smallest drone. With more sensors, upgraded camera, and a stabilizing gimbal, Microdrone 4.0 is the most advanced, easy-to-fly drone to date. We wanted to make it super easy to fly, so it can be used straight out of the box. Fitted with a high-quality Sony sensor, the image is crisp for improved video capture that's striking and clear. Microdrone 4.0 is no ordinary drone. A tiny 2-axis gimbal provides fluid motion that eliminates shake, giving you buttery smooth footage using both mechanical stabilization and EIS. It allows you to create cinematic filming techniques that excite and inspire. A compact foldable design means you can take it with you anywhere. On your travels, it conveniently stores away for when portability matters. We don't want anyone to miss a special moment. Take it out and 3 clicks gets you airborne in less than 5 seconds. It comes with a brand new app with advanced camera controls. We have completely redesigned the drone from the ground up with a brand new shape that's optimized for power and performance. Take your hands off the controls, and the technology inside Microdrone enables it to fly autonomously without any manual controls. The drone integrates powerful AI tracking that complements smooth, stable shots and flies fast enough to keep up with high-speed action.
Neurala creates artificial intelligence for drones. Our artificial intelligence is built directly on the phone that controls the drone. Beyond LiveTrack, we will bring even more AI to Microdrone 4.0. The ability for the drone to orbit around the object of interest at 360 degrees, and the ability to recognize the hand of the owner and land on it.
We're taking it to the next level in stability, size, affordability, and ease of use.
With development complete and prototypes extensively tested, with your support, we are now ready to start production, which will help create the most exciting, easy to use, and stable drone that anyone can fly. Thank you.
Help us to take this into production. The more funding we can raise, the more functionality, upgrades, and accessories we can add to the existing drone.
I'm going back to where it all began. I'm a straight shooting type.